Hello guys, I am back with my fifth video of making Porsche sound, and here we go. Today I'm making sound of a Porsche GT3 RS and a track mode, and it's in a track. It's going in a one lap time, and we can only hear this small mode of it. So here we go. Starting the engine. It was pretty fast. So that's all for today. Hope you like it. Um, Please share your love and subscribe me and follow me. And I will be there for the sixth video of making a Porsche sound. And let Porsche see this. Thank you.